Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we're all going to learn about how to take out profit and loss in mobile business or in laptop business or whatever business you have. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's try to I have taken this sort of picture and put it there. Let's try to go for insert and take sort of shape. Like I have taken this shape there, in which I'll be typing some of the details. Send it to back, select that and change the color of that to white color. Now we have got the logo of that. Let me remove the outline color of that. So we've got the logo of our shop or the logo of any of the business. So let's suppose this is sort of logo. So what I have to do, I have to go for insert, and over there I may have text box. Let's try to take text box and type there your business name, like Apple Mobile. So I have typed that. Now what I have to do, so I have typed that, make sure to select that, go for home, increase the size of that. You can also change the color of that and put it there. If you want to remove the outline color of that, go for format and no outline color. Now you can put it there. You can also increase the size of that furthermore. See, I can put it there and also decrease the size of that little bit and put it there. Apple Mobiles. Let me take the copy of that, in fact, and type there details of shop. And this time put it there. You can also change the color of that. Now this time what I have to recommend you is to make sort of details there. So we have typed there the title of the business like Apple Mobiles and details of a shop. And let's try to take sort of shapes there, 4 shapes there. Try to take the copy of that. Well, the reason I have taken this orange sort of shape, because I want to give average space between all of the shapes, or equal space. Let's try to go and take another text box there and type there. Now I have almost edited all of these. Let's try to change the color of these. So this time what I have to do is to go for another sheet, make another sheet over there and type there. Selling, spending, profit and loss. So this time what I have to do is to type sort of formula there, like as equal to sum bracket start, go for the previous sheet and select this area. You may select this area, hit enter, and also select this area, spending as equal to sum bracket start, go for the previous sheet, select these three, hit enter. You can also change this into sort of border. Select that and go for sort of border like all borders. And you can also select that. So go for the sheet there. So what I have to do is to type some of the details there or type some of the entries there. So let's try to go for the sheet we have applied formula in. Now you can see that we have got 5,70,000 sellings and 1,70,000 spendings. Let's try to go and apply profit and loss formula there. So we have typed the formula there and we have got 4 lakh profit and 0 loss. So this time what we have to do is to work furthermore. Go for sheet 1 and select this shape. Type there as equal. Go for this sheet. Select that. Type there as equal. Go for this sheet and select sellings or selling. Hit enter. Repeat the process with the spending. And repeat the process with profit. Select that. And repeat the process with loss. So what I have to tell you is that these will be working or functioning automatically. For example, if you go there and change any of the value and amount, for example, if I change this to 150, you can see that profit is increasing and also the selling is increasing there. You can also change the value of that, like food. See, that is changing itself. So that is what I have taught you in this tutorial. I hope you will benefit that by using all of these formula and these sort of methods. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.